there guys, and welcome to another video of the Curious Explorer. Right now I am in the Shark Valley area of the Everglades National Park. I have visited Shark Valley in recent times, so here's a compilation of what we saw in our visits. I biked this 15-mile loop several times. On the trail, gators are seen everywhere. We even saw about 40 baby gators in one spot. So we were surprised to see an American croc because they are usually found in saltwater areas. We saw an amazing variety of birds in Shark Valley. Look at this tricolored heron. It has such beautiful colors. Most herons are usually a bit timid, but this heron just walked on right by us. We saw this wood stork eating a snack. This cormorant bumped into a few rocks while fishing. Anhingas don't have waterproof feathers, so they have to dry them by spreading them out when they go fishing. This black-crowned night heron was sitting still patiently waiting for his prey. We saw both the juvenile and adult little blue heron. And we also saw the juvenile yellow-crowned night heron. I think green herons are the most difficult to spot because of their green color and size. On the contrary, egrets are easier to spot because of their white color. I first thought that this red-bellied slider was stuck, but it turned out he wasn't. He could always jump away like this one. After about 7.5 miles of traveling, you reach the observation tower. Here you can get a whole 360 view of the surrounding Everglades. As the sun started to set, a flock of ibises returned to their nest. We also went to Shark Valley on a full moon night and were able to witness a beautiful sunset. I think Shark Valley is one of my most favorite things to do, and I highly recommend it to all of you guys out there watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my videos. And together, let's continue to explore.